Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of two albums. This is the Got7 Present You album. This is their third full album, and I'm going to be showing you guys the booklet as well as the pre-order goodies. So as you can see here, I have two separate copies here. This one is actually my sister's, which she purchased, and this one is mine. As you can see, I do also have the pre-order gifts here. Also, if you pre-order, you do get a poster, and I will show you guys my posters a little bit later as well. But I'm going to start off with the little pre-order gifts. So my sister actually already opened hers off camera, obviously, because she wants to open her own album. So some of the things might be a little bit like shuffled already. So as you can see here, once you just open that up, oh, by the way, this is a really gorgeous little packaging here. It's blue, kind of like watercolory. But when you open here, she has a bookmark, which is the Mark bookmark. So it is a bookmark, which is super cute. It does come with a little string to tie on it. I believe she already took that one out, so that is really awesome. Her bias is Mark, so she was super happy about that. And then she got the clear photo card, which is Young Jay. I don't know if you can see that very well. If I put him here, maybe you can see. So this is the Young Jay transparent photo card. It looks so good. Actually, it's supposed to be like this. He looks so good. I'm kind of jealous. He looks so good in this. And then in here, this is the outside packaging. But here you have a ton of little like postcard type things. So these are all definitely out of order, I believe. So in this postcard set, you do get a ton of pictures. You get group shots as well as individuals. So some of these have like the frame bordering around it, and the back is just plain like that. Another group one. This one is probably one of my favorites. These are out of order. We have Mark, Jackson, Jin Young, Young Jay, Bam Bam. Here is Yugyeom, and here is JB, and this was actually in the front. It has all of their names on it, and on the back of this card is like a code for V-app or V-Live, and you get like some extra special goodies on there, so I won't show you that code. So those are all of the pre-order goodies in there, but what I actually really like about this is that, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like things that you can pop up, so it turns into sort of like a picture frame, and then you can put these guys in here. So yeah, so you can put the cards in there, and then you can just like stand it up on your desk, which I think is quite cute. So that is the version that my sister got. I'm going to quickly go through the pre-order ones that I have here. And I have a Jackson bookmark, which is so cute. Look how adorable he is. And then this is the back, by the way. It has a feather and then Present You. And that transparent photo card is JB, and I'm so excited. If you guys know me, if you follow me on my Instagram, I have a K-pop bullet journal Instagram now, so I'll leave that down below in the description box. But if you guys know me, JB is my ultimate bias. Got7 is my ultimate favorite group. I love every single member, but if I had to choose one, it would have to be JB. And that mainly is because he's the one that first got me into Got7, so I have to thank him for that. But I'm so excited. He looks so good in this outfit, and I'm very happy that I got him. So yeah, again, these cards will all be the same. So that has the code on the back of it, and then the group shots. So that is the pre-order goodies here. Like I said, me and my sister did also get the posters. So I will show a picture of my sister's poster on this side and then mine on this side. Oh my gosh, aren't they gorgeous? So my sister did get Jin Young and I got JB, and I'm so happy about it. I literally put up the poster like right away because isn't it so beautiful? I'm so happy. And also I'm very happy that it is a vertical poster because I had a special place on the back of my door, which I really wanted to fill up. So I'm very happy that I now have a JB poster. So now I'm going to show you guys what is in the albums, and actually if you can see, my sister and I got the exact same cover. There are so many different covers for these, by the way. I believe there are 8 different covers. There are the individual members and then the group ones. So my sister and I both got the group ones. But I'll show you guys the outside, what it looks like first. You get some holographics there. The side, the back, like that. So, my sister and I both got the group versions of the album, which we're very excited about. The thing is with Got7, we love every single member, so it didn't really matter like whose album that we got because we love all of them. But if I had to choose, like if I was able to choose which album to get, it would have been the group one, so I'm very, very excited. My sister's also very excited as well. So the interesting thing about this album as well is that this little sleeve is actually also a poster. So if you can see, like you can rip the back here, and then inside here you can see that there is a face, and that is Jin Young. The problem is I don't want to rip this open. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but like ripping things open, especially like for like albums and stuff like that, I have like, it hurts my heart. So I don't know if I'm actually going to use this poster, if I'm going to hang it up, or if I'm just going to keep it as a sleeve. My sister is exactly the same as me, so I don't think she's going to rip up that, but the one that I have in here, I don't know if you can see it. Wait, where's his face? Oh, here. Maybe you can see it better. Guess what? It's JB! He's JB again! I'm so happy! So, with the poster and the transparent photo card and this, I already have 3 JBs, which is so exciting. So because we have the same album version, I'm just going to flip through mine and then I'll show you photo cards after. So when you first open it, it looks like this. There are 3 different versions of the printed CD, the design on the CD. So this is the one that I have. It's really pretty and blue. And you have this like really pretty, I guess it's a collage of all of the members. And in here, I got a Jackson. Oh my gosh, this is the lyric postcard. I believe it's the same size as the other cards, and on the back it has the lyrics to his solo song for this album, which is called Made It. And in here, all the cards. Oh my gosh, so I have another JB, so I have 4 JBs in this one. I always used to thought that JB was quite, he's quite rare to get in these photo albums, so I'm really happy that I got 4 of them now. I have a Yugyeom one, which is signed. Oh, I probably should have showed the back. So this is the back of JB, back of Yugyeom, and then I have a Jin Young. I normally always get Jin Young's. I have like 3 or 4 of him already, so I did get him again. I don't have a Youngjae. I don't have a proper Bam Bam photo card, so I hope if I get another version that I'll get them. But this is the back of the photo cards, and I believe they have 10 versions of photo cards for each member, so they have 70 in total. And if you collect all from each member, it'll create another photo. So here I have a piece of Jin Young's leg. This is like Yugyeom, and I guess this is the background of JB's photo. So I'm really happy that I have all of these. They're so cool. I'm gonna put those like in my planner as soon as possible. And I'm gonna quickly flip through this. I'm gonna try not to talk about every single picture or else we'll be here forever. I will say that I really like Youngjae's outfit in this photo shoot. He's being very rude. I wish I got some more Youngjae pictures in here. So you have the track list. I really like these kinds of photos. I think they're quite nice. These ones, they all look so happy with the feathers. In this one we saw teaser images of them doing laundry. JB in pink pants. He looks great. Mark with freckles. Aesthetic shots. Here is the lyrics to Lullaby and all the thanks for it. Oh my goodness. Oh, JB looks good in here too. The lyrics for Enough and Save Me. Hangnan. The lyrics for No One Else, which is written by Yoogim. I Am Me, which was written by Jinyoung, and then the solo song for JB. The lyrics are there. Lyrics for On My Way, which is Mark's song. Lyrics for Made It and My Youth, Jackson and Jinyoung. Nobody Knows, Youngjae, Party Bam Bam, Fine Yoogim. Is it just me or does Jackson look like Chenny Chen in that picture? Another group shot. Lullaby English version, Chinese version, and Spanish, as well as instrumental down here. Isn't it awesome how they did all of these songs? So nice for international fans. That's so like, wow. They look so fluffy and cute in here. I love it when they wear pastel colors. I just realized that in all of these pictures, they're not wearing shoes. This one is probably my favorite. This is their thanks. And then the staff. And then another group picture in the back. And then at the end. That is what the back looks like, really pretty. So now, like I said, because my sister got the exact same version, I'll just show her photo cards. So she did also get the Jackson. So she did also get the Jackson postcard. We have the same lyrics on the back. Actually, let me take out my photo cards here. So those are the ones that I have. And then the ones that she got are also very, very exciting. So she got 2 Jinyoungs and a Jackson. So my sister and I did get duplicates of this Jinyoung one. It seems like he always wants to be in our lives now. He's always such a bias wrecker. So these are all of the goodies that we picked up along with the album. We are very, very excited. But yeah, I think that is it for this video. Remember to stream Lullaby. We have to get to 50 mil, so don't forget to do that. We need to unlock all of those different things, as well as let them win on a lot of music shows. They're going to be promoting for, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, and then they're also going to go to KCON Thailand as well. So be sure you guys support them there. But I think that is it for the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!